Sesame snaps are wholesome and tasty sesame-based snacks, which are naturally sweet and made of just a few simple ingredients. Sesame seeds harvested from plants grown in Africa and Asia have been used in kitchens and in medicine for centuries. Gluten-free, rich in fiber and unsaturated fatty acids, sesame seeds are valuable micro and macronutrients. Welcome to Unitop, the makers of Sesame Snaps. Today we're bringing you behind the scenes to give you a sneak peek on how one of the world's most delicious snacks is made. Open Sesame! Unitop has been manufacturing sesame snaps for more than 60 years and sells them in over 40 countries around the world. Today, the company is one of the leading manufacturers of the sweet crunchy snack, not only in Poland, but also in Europe. First, let's see how amki with chocolate is made. Of course, it all starts with sesame seeds, the most important ingredient in all sesame snaps. First, the seeds go through an extensive cleaning and sorting process in a vibrating sieve separator. We choose only the biggest seeds of flawless shape and colour for the production. They must be perfect. These carefully selected seeds are then roasted to achieve the best crunch. Then, the roasted sesame seeds are sweetened with a touch of sugar and syrup before the gooey mixture is sent to the shaping department. Here, the ingredients are mixed and cooked to perfection. Before they are spread onto cooling tables, where the product will be manually shaped into smooth blocks. They are then transferred into an automatic forming line. When the required thickness is reached, the blocks get cut into individual thin snaps before moving into the cooling tunnel. This is an important process to ensure the level of crispiness that fans know and love. Now these little bites of goodness can be separated and packaged before making their way to retailers worldwide. That's unless they have a chocolate coating. Amki to go sesame snaps with chocolate is understandably one of the most popular of the 8 delicious flavours sold in Poland. They must go through a succulent chocolate bath before being packaged and put into display cartons. HALVA is another sesame product manufactured by Unitop. Its main ingredients is tahini paste, imported from Turkey. All ingredients necessary for production are mixed together. Our succulent and chewy recipe includes caramel, whipped egg whites, and soapwort root that are mixed together to make the halva fluffy. No palm oil is used in the production of halva at Unitop. Then, all ingredients are kneaded together in special bowls using traditional methods. We rely on the knowledge, skill and experience of our employees to manually paddle the mixture to give halva its unique texture of long, unbreakable caramel fibres cherished by gourmets and gourmands everywhere. The confection is then transferred into the forming line, where it's positioned. Halva blocks are manually wrapped in a non-stick paper and then into branded foil. At Unitop, this Middle Eastern delicacy is also made into bars and even a mini version to satisfy your sweet tooth. Unitop sesame products are loved all over the world, including Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, France and Australia.